If you create copy, written posts, or anything for your clients, whether you're in video, social media, whatever, one of the easiest ways to do that is to go into something like Premiere Pro, transcribe the sequence, take that transcription, and throw it into ChatGPT. When you throw it into ChatGPT, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like a bunch of this crap, right? With all the time code and everything else in there, with all the quotes. Once you put it in there, you go in and you ask it, you say, remove everything without the time code, the thing, whatever, right? And pulls it all out. Looks like this. Once you've done that, you're going to ask it to summarize for a post, copy, whatever, and then you'll go in and dial it in yourself, make it customizable right from there. You can do this so quickly, and this is really helpful if you have any written transcriptions from somebody that talks a lot, podcast, whatever. Maybe you don't know a lot about the topic. You can go in, pull from their exact words, and then have ChatGPT come up with a summary with their exact words for you, therefore making you look and sound even smarter. You can do this in under 3 minutes. Let me know if this helps. My name is Ryan. I run Edit Butter Studios, and hi. Bye. Wait, what?